Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Learn How to Sudoku, where we take a very easy variant Sudoku puzzle and we break it down in detail so that you can learn how to Sudoku. Today's very easy puzzle is called Palindrome, and it's reading palindrome one way and then palindrome the other way, or I guess it's reflected as a palindrome, right? So if you see it, it's not really a P on the other side. It's basically a reflected P. You have a reflected A, L, I, N, D. That's a lowercase r, I guess. O, M, N, E. But those are all different letters. This was just a regular M, though. Anyways, it's by willpower. And willpower backwards here. Let's get to the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9-cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. We have a palindrome, where the numbers in equal distance from the ends of the gray line are the same number. Right, so example, these two digits are the same. And another way of putting it is that other creators like to say is basically on the palindrome, the digits read the same one way as they do the other way. So that's another way of putting it, which they both work. But, for example, if this were, say, a 3, this would have to be a 3 here. If 4 cells down, this were a 6, then 4 cells down, 1, 2, 3, 4, would also have to be a 6. And that's an example of how this palindromes work. We also have crop key pairs, where numbers with a white dot between them are consecutive, and numbers with a black dot between them are in a ratio of 2 to 1. Not all possible dots are necessarily given. So for example, say this was a 6 here, then this would have to be 5 or 7 to be consecutive with it. And say this was a 2, then this would have to be 1 or 4 to maintain the 1 to 2 ratio between them. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's learn how to Sudoku. Okay, let's start by... Do I want to use colors or do I want to use letters? Letters are usually better, but... Let's just do the ones that are obvious. This is a scenario where basically you have 4 unique digits. 2 are in a 1 to 2 ratio with each other and another digit. So the only possible combinations then, these are 2 and 4. So this must be 2, 4, 2, 4. This is 1 or 8. And this is the same digit as that. So this is 1 or 8, 2, which is next to 2 or 4, which is next to 1 or 8. Not 1 or 8. It has to be next to a 2 or 4. Right? So this is also 2 or 4. Well, we know these digits are the same. So I guess we can start coloring those. Let's start by this. This is red. That'll be red. This then must be the same digit as that because these are unique digits. So that's green. We'll have this be light. So this is also green and this must be light. We have another digit which is in a 1 to 2 ratio with 2 other digits. So this again has to be 2 or 4. We don't know which one, and this could be 1, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. But we're guaranteed that this has to be some combination of 2 and 4. Because if you have 2 in the middle, you have 1 and 4 surrounding it, to be in a 1 to 2 ratio. If you have 4 in the middle, you have 2 and 8 surrounding it. So either way, you're guaranteed this is 2, 4, and 8. This then must be 3 and 6 as a pair. This is 3 and 6 as a pair. I don't know which one that is. Oh boy. So this is the third one. 1, 2, 3. So this is green. 4, 5. So this is light. Okay. This is 3 and 6, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the 10th cell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the same digit as that. Okay. These two digits are the same. That's pink and pink. That's the fourth one. Fifth, I'm going to make this medium. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the medium. That's also in a 1 to 2 ratio. Interesting. This is the 2, 4 here, though. So this digit is in a 1 to 2 ratio with this. It's very likely that this is the same as this 3, 6. We don't know, though. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one, okay. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the same. And it's one of, it cannot be the same as this. So this is either, cannot be medium or light either. So this has to be green or red. So green or red is here, and that matches this one. Right, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. These are the same, and this is a unique digit. So again, this is the same as one of these two. We have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So these are the same. And it's a 1 to 2 ratio. So this cannot be 2 or 4. It's either 1, 3, 6, or 8. Which makes this 1, 3, 6, or 8. Which could be next to 3 or 6, or 2 or 4. We're not sure which. Oh, this is also in a 1 to 2 ratio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is in a 1 to 2 ratio with this digit. So these digits are the same. And it cannot be 1, 2, 4, or 8. So this has to be 3 or 6. Well, it can't be the same as this 3 or 6. So this must be the same as this one. So this is blue. This is blue also. So this is 3 or 6. 3 or 6. We don't know which one this is, though. The remaining digits in column 7 are 5, 7, and 9. So this is the same as that digit, which means it's one of these two. So this is, we're going to make this orange, this is dark, and this is yellow. So this must be orange or dark. Orange or dark here. That's 1, 2, 3. So this is orange, which makes this orange. This is dark, which makes that dark. We don't know which one that is. So this is orange and dark. These cannot be orange and dark, so this must be an orange-dark pair here. So this is not orange or dark. Hmm. This is the same as that digit. So it's not blue. It cannot be this digit. It can't be this 1/8. We don't know where this 1/8 is. So we have red, pink, green. This is 1 or 8. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. Um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Where is red in row 4? It must be one of these two, right? Green in row 6. Okay, so these colors have to be, cannot be red, yellow, blue, orange, dark, or pink. So this must be light, medium, and green. So this is light, medium, green. Remaining colors in row 5. We have what? We have blue, yellow, in we have light and medium, but we have guaranteed light and medium here. So this can't be blue or yellow. This is light and medium there. Therefore, this is blue and yellow. Okay. So this is orange, dark. This has to be light, medium, or green. This is light or medium. It cannot be medium here because that's medium there. So this is not medium, this is light, which means that can't be medium, that's light. This cannot be blue because of blue there. So this has to be yellow. So this is yellow, which means this can't be yellow, this can't be light. So this is light, this is yellow. So yellow's 5, 7, 9. So this cannot be yellow here, this is blue. Which means it's 3 and 6. So this is blue, which means this can't be blue. This is yellow, which forces this to be yellow here. And this must be 3 or 6, which makes this 3 or 6. So it cannot be green. It could be light. It can't be light. This has to be medium. So medium is here, which means this is medium here. That eliminates medium in the rest of the box. So this is light, this is medium, and this is blue. Okay, so then this is green or red, green or red. This cannot be light here. Oh, this is medium, right? Yeah, this is medium. So this is medium. Yellow is 5, 7, or 9. This is a combination of red and pink. So we have red or pink here, red or pink here, which means this is red or pink. We don't know what the 1/8 is. Okay, this is 3 or 6. It's consecutive with light. So then this must be green. Blue must be 3. Okay, so let's look at... That means this can't be blue. This must be blue here. This is medium here. So we have 8 blues. We know where the last blue has to be. It has to be here. So this is blue, which makes this medium to be 3 and 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mediums. This is medium here. I think we have all the mediums. No, we have 8 mediums. Yeah, that's the last medium there. Okay. So we know blue is 3 because it must be consecutive with 2 or 4. So blue is 3. That means medium. That's with 3 in a corner. We celebrate because we're getting close to solving this. That's 6 there. Light can be 2 or 4. But if it's 2, well, we don't know. Orange or black. Orange or dark. Remaining colors in column 7. We have yellow already. We need pink, orange, and dark. So this could be pink, orange, or dark. This is pink, orange, or dark. That's pretty broad. Green or red. So red is not consecutive with 3. So then this must be green. So since this is green, and it has to be 2 and 8, 2 and 4. That means this is a 2-4 pair, which eliminates 2-4 in the rest of the box. This is green, so this must be light. So since this is light, this can't be light. That's green. This can't be green. That's light. And this must be the orange, pink, or dark. 1-8. Because that's the 1-2 ratio with light. This is also 2 or 4. This then must be 1 or 5. This is also 2 or 4. That's fine. We have green here. We have light. We have how many lights? So in column 2, where's the light? Can't be here because of the lights in the boxes. Can't be here because of light in the row. Can't be here because of the palindrome. So this must be light here. Which means we have 8 lights. We know where the last light has to be. It has to be there. Okay. We have lights, we have mediums, darks, not really defined. Greens, we have a decent amount of. Where's green in this lower central box? Cannot be here because of green in the column. Can't be here because of green in the column. Can't be here because of green in the row. Can't be here because of the palindrome. So this is green there. Where's green in row 2? Can't be here because of green's in the boxes. Can't be here because of the palindrome. So green has to be here, which means we have 8 greens. We know where the last green is. It has to be there. Pink, kind of still undefined. Oranges, still undefined. Reds, kind of undefined. Yellows. We have a decent amount of yellows. Where can yellow be in this upper left-hand box? It can't be either of these cells because of yellows in the column. Can't be here because of yellow in the row. And this can't be because of the way that the black crop key dots work. So yellow has to be here. Where is yellow in this lower right-hand box? Cannot be here. And these cannot be yellow because of yellow in the column. Can't be here because yellow in the row. So yellow has to be here. This cannot be 6 down to 5, because then that would force this to be 4 and 3, which is not allowed. So this has to be 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is 7, this is 8, this is 9. Yellow cannot be here, and yellow is definitely 5, 7, or 9. So it can't be here. Where is it then in this lower central box? It must be this one. So then we have 8 nines, 8 yellows. We know where the last yellow is, and all the yellows are 9. This 8 eliminates 8 here, so this is 1, which means that matches this. So this is 1. That means light is 2. Green is 4. And then red has to be 8. So red is 8. This is, we don't know. It's pink, orange, or dark. These can't be 9 anymore. So it's just 5 or 7 as a pair. This has to be 8. This is 8. This is 8. So this red means this can't be red. So it's pink, which means this is also pink to fulfill the palindrome. This cannot be pink. This has to be the 1, though. So this can't be pink either. So it's one of these. Which means this must be pink here. So this can't be pink. This pink eliminates pink here. So this is red, which makes this 8, which is consecutive with orange. So orange has to be 7, not 1. So this is not orange. This is dark, which means this is not dark. This is not dark. This is not orange. So this, wait, that's right. This has to be orange here because this is orange, and this must be pink. So this is orange, orange. Remaining colors in row 8 are red and light. No. Dark. Red and dark. So this can't be dark, so this is red, which makes this dark here. This is consecutive with 2, and it has to be dark, which means this can't be dark here. That's orange. Let's fill out the remaining colors. This can't be orange. It's dark. Row 1, we need red, which can't be here or here, so red is here. We have light, medium. We have need orange and pink. This can't be orange, so that's pink, which makes this orange. That leaves the remaining color in column 1. Let's just go row by row. It's easier. We need red, orange, and dark. This can't be orange, so this is red or orange. We have red or orange here, but this can't be orange because of orange in the row, so this is red, which means this can't be red. That's orange. This must be dark and red. This can't be dark, so that's red, and this is dark. Row 3, we have pink left. Row 7, we have red. No, not red. Dark and pink. This can't be pink, so this must be dark, which makes this pink here. And then row 9, we have orange and red. And this can't be orange, so this must be red, which makes this orange. So again, all the oranges are 7. All then the pinks must be 5. All the darks are 1, and all the reds are 8. And that's how you solve it. Yeah, usually palindromes are a little harder for coloring because you can get pretty hairy. But we were able to determine which colors had to be which fairly easily just by looking at these, looking at the relationships with the Kropke dots. So that made things much easier. Normally, I would go about it using letters, but coloring was fine here because it wasn't that complicated. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn How to Sudoku, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.